It's Kyle's first toothbrush experience. This is his toothbrush and toothpaste and
You know, you should model it.
let me see your big tooth.
Pigeon.
Can I see? Can I see? Yay!
Wow.
Wow!
Wow.
Wow! Caddy's
the
eating
tongue,
the
baby.
toothpaste. Well,
Show your
because
tongue.
Caddy's eating already, so we need to clean his teeth.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Why so white?
Yes.
Snow White.
How about the tongue? Wow, anak, let's finish the tongue.
Oh, the difference
Wow.
between Kuya and Caddy.
And he's not crying.
God, he's not crying.
He
And
loves the
seems so enjoy.
toothbrush. Yeah,
Oh,
yeah,
it's his first time.
yeah. Sorry. Oops.
No more?
Yes, I think we're done. For the
Done.
first time, we're done. For the first
Done.
time using a toothbrush. Okay, you can eat the toothbrush now.
Give to mommy the toothbrush. Oh, then, how will you end?
We give him Listerine now.
Okay.
Mouthwash, and then let's use a dental floss.
No need because
Yay!
happen. Yay, done.
Yay, done.
Yay.
Yay.
Congrats, Caddy.